DevOps is a superhero. I will tell you it has two superpowers. Let's jump onto the section of the video which you all are waiting for. Free certifications on DevOps. Have you ever wondered why DevOps is such a game changer and how it is transforming the entire tech sector? And most importantly, how can you break into this high demand skill and land up yourself into a high paying job in the year 2025? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to deep dive into the world of DevOps. And in today's video, I'm going to tell you what exactly is DevOps. And no, this is not going to be boring definition, the one that you read all on the blogs, on the internet and watch the videos. This is going to be super interesting for you, the tech blackboard way. And then I will also give you a proper reasoning why you should consider learning DevOps and who can benefit from the same. So let's dive right in. So first of all, my friends, as I told you, DevOps is literally exploding. All the companies, the tech giants, the global companies, they are really running and trying to find out the DevOps professionals. And that's the reason the demand for the DevOps professionals is skyrocketing. And I don't see any reason that it's gonna slow down in the near future. So what exactly is DevOps? Let's take a very interesting example here. So consider that you are building a Lego castle. So I hope you have seen those Lego bricks and Lego pieces. So let's say that you're trying to build a castle and you have two teams here. Okay. So the first one is the blue team. Let's call them the developers. So this is the team that really creates the design of those Lego blocks. And then you have a second team. Let's call it a green team. These are the operations people. So these are the people who really puts the block and joins them together to build a castle. Now here comes the real problem. Now consider that the blue team or the developer team has no idea how the green team or the operations team is putting all these blocks together. So they have no idea. They are working in silo. The green team is also working in silo. And the results could be really disastrous. The blue team has developed some blocks that the operations team is not able to put together. And this is exactly where DevOps comes into the picture. See, DevOps is just like an ultimate team activity or team hack. It really brings the developers and the operation people team together, and together they build, they test, they deliver the software efficiently, faster and with reduced bugs. So it is all about breaking the silos between different teams, automating the processes and making sure that everyone is on the same page right from the start. And friends, if DevOps is a superhero, I will tell you it has two superpowers. The first one is CI, which is continuous integration, and the second superpower is CD, which is continuous deployment. And what are these superpowers? Well, let me explain you. The continuous integration, you can think it of as a magical conveyor belt. So every time a developer adds a new feature or maybe fixes a bug, the code is automatically tested and integrated into the main project. And this eliminates the waiting time and you can see the code works instantly. And here comes the CD part that takes the things to the next step. So once the code is tested and integrated, it automatically is deployed to the production. And this means that the new features and the updates can go live within minutes. And your customers, they do not have to wait for weeks or months to get the new features. So it's more like having the software industry on a self-driving car. So let's very quickly understand why should you even learn DevOps. So here's the deal. See, DevOps is not just a trend. I think it's a future of tech. Companies are really adopting to the DevOps practices left and right. It really helps them deliver the code faster, fewer errors, and also on top of that, lower cost. And that's the reason, my friends, the DevOps professionals, they are in high demand and they get high salary. And from the company's perspective, I would say it enables the company for the faster releases, improved quality, and also increased efficiency. Satisfied customer, I think that is the most prominent one, and also enhanced collaboration and communication within the team. So those were the few pointers why companies are happy, why professionals are happy using DevOps. And now let's jump onto the section of the video which you all are waiting for, free certifications on DevOps. In this list, the first one is Linux Foundation and the course name is Introduction to Jenkins. And in this course, you will be able to learn the fundamentals of CI/CD. And this course is most useful for the roles like DevOps engineers, software developers, architects, and professionals who really focus on site reliability and quality assurance. So good course to start with. And yes, all the links for all the courses that I'm discussing in this video is given in the description box. Once again, all these courses are absolutely free. And what is the second course that we want to talk about? The second one is called Kubernetes Getting Started. And this is a wonderful course on Kubernetes from Udemy. And here you will understand why we need a good container orchestration engine and see why Kubernetes is the go-to option for the same. And also in the course, you will build and administer production-grade Kubernetes clusters on cloud and also locally on your laptop. Then this will also provide you an in-depth understanding what are the pods, how to connect them, how do they communicate with each other, and finally how to write a pod manifest file and deploy it on the Kubernetes. And all this, my friends, will give you a solid understanding on managing the application protection and high availability using like tools like replica set, replica controller, and daemon set. And from here, let's move on to the third certification, and that is Docker Essential. This one is again from the Udemy, and this course gives you a learning on containers using key components of Docker ecosystem. And to get started on this course, all you need is a very basic understanding or knowledge of the Linux fundamentals like files and processes, along with a bit of Linux command line. And by the end of this course, you will be able to understand and appreciate containers and also the Dockers and use them like a pro. And the best part is there are 30 demonstrations on the Docker command line files and the application, along with very interesting quizzes to test your understanding and correct yourself if needed. And then, my friends, the fourth certification I want to talk about is getting started with DevOps on AWS. And this one, of course, is directly from the AWS. And this is a beginner friendly course, and there are loads of interactive content and demonstration, and you will learn the cultural philosophies, the practices, the tools that are used in DevOps environment, and you will also be able to explore the concepts for developing and delivering the secure application at high velocity on AWS. And by the end of this course, you will be able to describe how AWS can help the teams implement their DevOps practices to efficiently build and deploy application faster, securely, and with maximum reliability. And from here, let's jump to the fifth certification, and that is preparing Google Cloud certification. And in this certification, you have the opportunity to practice key job skills using the Google Cloud to build the software delivery pipelines, deploy and monitor the services, and manage and learn from the incidents. You will be able to apply the SRE principles to a service and also the techniques to monitor, troubleshoot, and improving the infrastructure and application performance amongst the other things. But let me ask one question here. How many of you know what exactly is SRE? Let me know in the comment section. Let's see how many of you are aware of the tech industry. The sixth certification I want to talk about, we have already discussed one from AWS, one from Google. Can we leave Microsoft? Of course not. So sixth one is from Microsoft, and that is called DevOps Engineer Expert. Now there is a little bit catch here. This certification in itself is not free, but the renewal is free of cost. And in this certification, you will learn the responsibilities including delivering Microsoft DevOps solutions that provide continuous security, integration, testing, delivery, deployment, monitoring, and feedback. And you will design and implement the flow of the work, collaboration, communication, source control, and automation. So a great course if you want to start DevOps on Microsoft Azure. And then, my friends, a lighter course which is DevOps Culture and Mindset. And this is a very basic course where you will be able to understand fundamental principles of DevOps with a particular focus on culture and DevOps mindset. And you will be also able to learn why DevOps is grounded in the lean principles and how can you improve the collaboration between developers and operation team members. So those were the 7 fantastic certification free of cost where you can start your journey on DevOps. But now that you have watched the video till here, I think you are eligible for a bonus certification. And that one, my friends, is Kubernetes Basics by Kubernetes IO. And this one is also free and very interesting one. And in this tutorial, you will get a walkthrough of basics of Kubernetes cluster orchestration system. And in this course, you will be able to understand how to deploy a containerized application on a cluster, how to scale the deployment, how to update the containerized application with a new software version. We all know that in these days, software versions are released very frequently. So that is why this is a very important point. And then of course debug the containerized application is what you will understand. So those were all the certifications on DevOps I have for you, 7+1. The links to all the certifications are given in the description box. Make the best use of them. What are the certifications that you are preparing? Let me know in the comment section and people can learn from each other. And that's all for today. I will see you in the next video. Till then, stay fit, keep learning, and thanks for watching.